I made this? Wow. I wanted to share with you my new snowmobile sleigh. The one I built last year cost me only $5, but it was too heavy for its size, and the tarp cover I had on it kept allowing snow inside, making it even more heavy. So I decided to build a new one. Watched a couple of guys I'm subscribed to on YouTube. I watched how they built theirs. Got some really good ideas. Based my design off of my needs and the materials I had. I went to the lumber yard, picked up one 12-foot 2x8 and 2 sheets of 1/2-inch plywood. And really the secret to this design is you're building a reinforced box on top of 2 runners. It makes it lightweight, very strong. I built my runners first, added a piece of 1/2-inch plywood all the way down the length for extra strength. I managed to find a piece of black poly pipe, 1/4 inch thick. I cut it into strips, glued and screwed it down the runners. This will add extra strength and make the runners last a lot longer. I even added a strip all the way down the middle to help protect the bottom. On the back, I have an area where I can stick my chainsaw down to hold it when I'm just cutting up firewood. I used the same hitch and arms from my old sleigh. I drilled a hole through the runner, added a steel pipe sleeve, a metal bracket here as well, and lots of large washers. Makes it really strong. I decided to add this compartment on the front. I figured it would help guide the snow underneath the sleigh instead of it hitting the front of this box. The sloped front makes it more aerodynamic and it gives me more space. In this main compartment, I left it as open as possible. I still want to be able to haul firewood. And I put a couple of little dividers in here. One's for my chainsaw, one's for my gas can. I also got some eye screws and some bungee cords to tie things down that I don't want flying around. I just want to quickly show you what I'll be carrying in my sleigh on most trips. Backpack, chaps, 1-ton come along in case I get stuck, something for small game hunting, a wedge, pocket chair, small vise, gloves, chainsaw sharpening and repair kit, a duffel bag for carrying my chainsaw, makes it so much easier, double bit axe, chainsaw gas, bar oil, a chain. This is a pad I made for kneeling on. Extra antifreeze for my snowmobile. A couple of tarps for emergencies. Shovel for digging myself out. And a snowmobile repair kit. And I got some extra nuts and bolts in case my sleigh, something breaks on it, I can get myself home. I made this? Wow.